Hi everyone, this is Chef Suresh Shinasamy. Today we're gonna cook a sandwich. It's a grilled cheese sandwich. I'm gonna make it in the pan, and I'm gonna make the one special sauce for this. It's a chutney. It's a tomato chutney. This tomato chutney you can use it for dosa, idli, and chapati, and whatever the tiffin varieties you can make it. I'm gonna spread the chutney into the sandwich. So let's start. What are the ingredients I'm gonna use for the chutney? Chutney I'm gonna use the small onion and dry chili and garlic, tomato and some curry leaf and asafoetida and mustard and jeera and some salt. This is what I'm going to use for the chutney. And the sandwich, the vegetable sandwich, I'm going to use paneer, amul paneer I'm going to use, and the butter I'm going to use it, and cheese I'm going to use, and one capsicum I have, and I have one onion and green chili, curry leaf and coriander, and I have a bread also, and I'm going to use some herbs like I have a micro beans and I have some greens also in my plant. So this is how I'm going to make. It's very simple and a very healthy dish also, and whatever the vegetables you have, just you can use in your home. So let's start the cooking, and I have to say thank you, because last time I made the pasta, it was like more than 1 million viewers, and I made the dosa, two kind of dosa I made. It's almost 1.75 million. Thank you viewers. Still it's in the Facebook, you can go and watch on the Amul Facebook. So let's start the dish. So first I'm going to make the tomato chutney. It's very easy. Just blend the chutney, and I'm going to tamper some with oil. And if you want to more shelf life, you have to cook it very well. This is not, I'm not going to cook very well. Just I'm going to make it for the a la carte. So first, just I'm going to put some tomato in the blender. First cut it, tomato, and I'm going to put garlic, like a 3 tomatoes, small tomato I use it. If you have a big tomato, just put 2 tomatoes and 10 garlic, 10 pieces of garlic. And for the spiciness, I'm going to put the dry chili. If you have the another chili, you can use it. This chili I'm going to use it like that. 7 chilies I'm using, and small onion. If you don't have a small onion, you can use the regular like a quarter. Big onion you can use it. And I'm gonna use some salt. This tomato chutney, as I told you already, even rice also you can mix with this. If you cook like a 20 to 30 minutes, this chutney, it can stay like a 6 month of shelf life. I'm going to add some oil into this. Don't put any water into this, just oil I put. I'm going to blend it. I'm just going to blend it. Some more blend it. So chutney is almost ready. Don't waste chutney. Just put little bit of water. Don't put a lot of water. Just I want the thick consistency of sauce like this. That's it. Your chutney is ready. As I told you before, I am not gonna cook this one. Just I'm gonna spread it as a simple chutney. Even in South Indian cooking, for the immediate like a chutney, like a 2 minutes, if you want to make the chutney, we will make it for dosa and idli for this. So I'm gonna remove the blender. Okay. So I'm gonna do some tempering for this. I'm gonna use oil. This chutney, mostly like village side, there's a name called the Karaikudi or Madurai Tiruchi. This side is totally famous. That is a grandma cooking, they can say. So a lot of very very special dish in the South Indian food. So oil almost getting hot. Today I'm using the sandwich paneer and the capsicum. You can use otherwise corn, you can use it. Otherwise zucchini, yellow squash, this kind of vegetable you can use it. If you don't make the tomato chutney, you can slice the tomato and put in the sandwich. This is a special chutney, that's why I want to show you guys. So oil almost hot. I'm gonna put mustard and jeera into this. And I'm gonna use the curry leaf. Even you can put the coriander leaf also, but I'm going to use it in the sandwich. So I'm not going to put in the chutney, but if you put in the chutney, coriander, if you're going to eat idli or dosa, you can use the coriander. And I'm going to use the asafoetida as the asafoetida. We call perungayam, kayam they say. So it's ready. Now switch it off and pour into the chutney. Little bit extra oil we have to put. The flavor will be good and taste is good. If you another way I told you already, just cook it into 30 minutes. The chutney will be stay more than 1 or 2 months minimum, or 6 months also you can keep it in the refrigerator. The chutney is ready. So I'm gonna keep it on the side. So now I'm gonna make the for the sandwich I'm gonna make the vegetables. So just switch it on. And the onion, let it be get hot. I'm gonna cut some onion. Set. Add some butter. I'm using the Amul butter. To the onion. And capsicum. I didn't get the red capsicum. Mostly the red capsicum is the more health wise it's very good one, the sauces, but I'm using the green one. Nutrition value is high on the red capsicum. Let's put the capsicum to this. So capsicum. Put the one capsicum for this. And some curry leaves. And I'm using the one green chili for this. According to the spiciness taste, some of the people they don't like the spiciness, just put the pepper onto this. But mostly South Indian side we put green chili. And the taste also for the sandwich will be amazing. Just add some green chili into this. Just saute it very well. And paneer, I'm going to use this paneer. Just smash the paneer. Put some salt. And I'm going to use the coriander. It's a cilantro. Coriander, you can call anything. Dhania patta. And I have some fenugreek methi. I have some micrograms of methi. Have in my garden. You can see here. Should I show you? Here. Surya, this one. Yeah, microgreen. So just put in some water. Microgreens you can. And I have some other greens also here. So I'm going to take it out. Just wash it. So almost ready, I can take it out. No need to cook, like I always cook it like a crunchy. Mostly the vegetable when you cook crunchy, the taste will be good and the sandwich is also very nice. That's it. I'm going to take it out, put it over here. On the same pan, I'm going to put the butter. Amul butter. The bread. Just toast the bread nicely. I took the white bread. You can take the wheat bread or a whole grain bread. Anything you can take it. So whatever you like. And the focaccia you can use for this. Just toast the bread nicely. Now I'm going to add some more butter into this. Always the flavor and taste will be excellent when you put extra butter. Just toast it nicely one side. I'm gonna turn it on. Just turn it. I'm gonna switch it off for a while. Now I'm gonna add the filling. Just add some filling into this. Out of this you can make more than 3 sandwiches. I'm going to add this chutney. Just spread the chutney like this. It will be taste nice. Maybe you can think we are grinding the raw onion and tomato, but try with the combination. It will be ultimate. That's it. Just put some chutney into this. Now I'm going to add cheese. I'm going to add Amul cheese. If you have Amul cheese sliced one, you can use it. I have the whole block, so I'm going to use this one. So just in the heat, it will be automatically, it will melt. Just I'm gonna close the sandwich. Just switched on. So you get the nice color. You can see this one. So I'm gonna make plating. Just keep it like this. You can put some chutney. Some salads, always salad will be nice. Some I have greens. For the salad, I'm gonna some mango. I'm gonna use the mango for the salad. Okay, sandwich is ready. You can see the sandwich. It will be nice presentation with the sandwich. The taste is it will be very nice, and the flavor, aroma, the cheese and the paneer, ultimate. Please try in your home. So awesome taste. So now I'm gonna try the sandwich in your home. You can cook the sandwich and try and just pass the comments. If you have any doubts also, you can put on the message. And anyway, thank you for the Amul giving the great opportunity for the so many chefs and the viewers, ultimate, because in one day you guys are going to watch 5 to 7 chefs. Thank you so much. Take care. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive. Bye bye.